welcome back to Hennessey Performance's YouTube channel. I'm here with JP. We are in Uvalde, Texas, and we are doing a very special top speed run. We're at the Continental Tires Proving Grounds, and you've probably already seen the video, but I'm doing a little behind the scenes shoot of what it looks like to get this top speed record for the Corvette C8. So if you want to see kind of what it looks like for us to do this whole thing, we've done it before.
Heck yeah.
Watch this entire video. It should be pretty exciting.
Stay tuned.
Any last words, JP?
Let's break a record.
Let's break a record. Mask on, baby.
First things first is we want to try to get photography on this thing straight away. Pepper, are you pretty much ready to go? Alex will be your driver.
I think it's gonna go 209.
I think it's going to 205.7.
I think 210. Go big or go home. So typically, how many runs does it take to get the record?
We usually have a shakedown run where we get real close, and then we usually go for number 2 as the goal.
Number 2.
Number 2. Sometimes
Second
3.
time is the charm.
Sometimes 3 if we have to.
We don't need any more cars now. We can't run school anyway. So.
Oh, hey guys.
Hey girl.
He's
Have fun.
Okay, thanks.
You got spray wax? You guys like I've done this before.
like 6, you know. How are you feeling, guys? Ready to rock and roll?
We're
Ready for it.
It is almost go time. We got the 2020 C8 Corvette. We're trying to set a world record right now, above 200 miles an hour. I'm not that nervous. Like, John's a professional driver. He's one of the best drivers in the world. We got nothing to worry about. I'm excited.
How are you feeling, John?
I'm ready to go.
You're ready to go. You excited or nervous?
Oh yeah, I'm always excited.
Aw. People.
Hennessey team requesting access through gate 2 to the main track.
Working out.
Yeah, come on.
It's gonna be glued on.
2. This is our first like official attempt at 200 miles an hour. We've lost that rear wing, so the drag has been minimized.
Wow, that was a handful.
Yeah. That was crazy.
I thought it might be.
Woohoo! Go team!
Way to go, guys.
How dusty you got.
Yeah, what in the world? Are we in the desert?
Come on, take
HEINROCKET! Alright you guys, that was a very successful run. The car went 204 miles per hour.
Woo!
Rock on,
Rock
we did
on,
it.
baby.
We are finally heading out and going home. It is so warm outside and a very
truly is.
exhausting morning. But the car, she is sitting right over there and she performed so well. We are so thankful. This is the end of our vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more behind the scenes videos and we'll see y'all next time.